A collection of Madagascan flora is being carefully collated at this library of plants called the Herbarium in London's famous Kew Gardens.
Madagascar is a global biodiversity hotspot and it has about 13,000 species of plants, and 90% of those are endemic, so they're found nowhere else in the world.
But the country's plant life is under threat from unsustainable farming. An estimated 70% of Madagascar's plants face extinction. Kew's Madagascar research programme is now working with local communities in the island nation to collect and store plant seeds and specimens before it's too late.
But it's quite difficult to get off-road in Madagascar. So what we're doing now, the big change, is we're working with communities and also protected areas with teams on the ground so that we get better coverage throughout the year, and we work with people who know the local forests really well.
So far, the team has amassed 4,000 different types of seeds, and researchers are hoping for even more now that communities on the ground are getting involved. 50% of the seeds collected in Madagascar are dried and then transferred to the UK, where they're frozen and stored in underground seed banks. The idea is that, if necessary, scientists here at Kew can unfreeze these seeds, germinate them and replant them back in Madagascar. It's essentially a way of ensuring against extinction. Some rare plants from Madagascar are already being stored and nurtured in Kew's nurseries.
A lot of the Madagascar germination trials come to Kew, and then we take them out of the petri dishes where they've been grown in, and then we wean them and grow them on in the collections here, and get them up to flowering stage where they can then be researched.
The involvement of Madagascar's local communities in this initiative is expected to double seed and plant collections. But the threat to the country's plant life is significant, and it's going to be a race against time for scientists to prevent the extinction of many species unique to Madagascar. Natalie Powell, CCTV, London.